Replacing your cabin air filter in a 2016-2022 Volvo XC90 is a simple DIY task that improves air quality and AC performance. The filter is located behind the passenger side glove compartment. The filter, part number 3140135 or equivalent, blocks pollen, dust, and odors from entering the HVAC system. Volvo recommends HEPA-grade filters with activated carbon for enhanced filtration, especially in models with advanced air purification systems. Doing this replacement yourself can save you around $150 compared to dealership costs. Aim to replace the filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually, especially if you notice musty odors or reduced AC efficiency. Start by gathering your tools: a screwdriver, pliers, and a new filter costing $20 to $50 from brands like Fram or Bosch. Open the glove box, remove its contents, and depress the release tabs to lower it fully. Unscrew or unclip the filter housing cover to access the filter compartment. Note the old filter's orientation. The arrow indicates airflow direction. Then pull it out. Insert the new filter in the correct orientation, ensuring the arrow points toward airflow. Secure the housing, then reassemble the glove box by lifting it back into place. Key tips: wear gloves for protection. Reset service reminders via the infotainment system. Double-check filter direction and housing seals to avoid reduced airflow. Change filters regularly for clean air and to prevent AC efficiency loss.